Namaste, welcome to Home Hashtag Life, and in today's video I will be sharing with you my Sunday home maintenance and cleaning routine. My Sundays were crazy, like literally crazy when I didn't have this list. As a busy mother, if I don't take care of these things on Sunday, then my whole week doesn't go smoothly. So here are 20 things to do on Sunday to take care of your home. I'm sure these tips will be helpful for you. So let's get started.
I would highly suggest to change out bed linens every week, especially in summer days when we sweat a lot and even dust mitten can be a problem. I start the Sunday cleaning or home maintenance routine with changing bed sheets in all room. Weekly I change our bed sheets, and when I change bed sheets and straighten up the room, my mood instantly feels refreshed. Then we start taking care of our plants. Me and hubby, we both take all necessary measurements to keep our plants clean and healthy. Mostly we cut all dried leaves, give a very good bath to all plants. By this time I try to take out all dust as much as possible. It helps them to do better in terms of their growth. Just like we dust our bookshelves or home decor because they catch all the dust, similarly plants accumulate dust too. To let them breathe, to let them acquire enough sunlight for their growth, give bath in every week or alternate week depending upon how much dust they have collected. And of course I use the time to socialize as well. I normally call a friend and we do have uninterrupted chit chats during this time. Then I started the cleaning or washing part. Mostly on Sundays I take care of delicate clothes. Here I want to introduce Mama Earth's laundry detergent for babies. They sent me the product few weeks back to test it out. When you buy baby products, never forget to check ingredients or components, especially if it is for your baby. I love Mama Earth's product as they have safe ingredients. This one is the plant-based laundry detergent. Why I would love to continue using this product? Because it has antibacterial agent as well. My daughter has a very bad habit to put clothes in her mouth or chew them. She plays outside a lot in the park or on corridors, which makes me a little anxious all the time. This detergent is also very gentle on terry cloths. We all know how these towel hankies become stiff after each wash, so I can definitely recommend using the detergent to wash your baby's washcloths or your kid's hanky. Coming to the washing part, to hand wash the cloth, you need only 5 ml detergent and soak the cloth in it. As you can see, this cloth has mostly oil stains on it, and as it is a very delicate cloth, I don't want to rub any brush on it. I'm just simply soaking the cloth in the detergent. Here is a tip for you. To keep the clothes submerged completely, fill a bowl with water and press it inside the bucket or wherever as needed. Also, please read the instructions carefully to get the best result out of it. After soaking it for 45 minutes, rub with hands gently and stains will go off. I'm really happy how clean and fresh it looks, and you can see all the oil stains has gone. And to use the detergent for washing machine, pour 20 ml for one load. And if your kids have a sensitive skin, then Mama Earth's laundry detergent should be able to decrease your worry. Always check any product by yourself to understand the product quality. I have shared a link in the description box. Go ahead and check it out. In our Sunday home maintenance routine, next work is to change all covers. Weekly, I like to change all cushion covers in the living room. We spend a good amount of time here in the living room. Throughout the week, all the cushion covers accumulate sweat, dirt, dust, especially in summer season. So it's a good way to change all cushion covers along with all sorts of other covers like coffee table runner, dining table runners, appliances cover, etc. If you already started thinking these are a lot of works to do on Sunday, then I would suggest find your own day to take care of your home according to your work schedule. Even if you wish, you can divide all these works for more flexibility. After changing all the covers, I start the washing machine as soon as possible so that I can start another load of these doormats. Yes, every Sunday I change all doormats, rugs, etc. from bathrooms, from wash basin area, from kitchen. Then after shaking them well in utility area, I wash them in washing machine. I never face any problem washing them in washing machine. I have two sets of doormats, while one set is in use and the set I keep it or store it in this drawer. Then I take care of any sorts of vacuuming. Mostly I vacuum our living room carpet on Sundays. As I have sent our carpet for the dry cleaning, I have kept this small rug for the time being. So a neat or clean living room is all set for the upcoming week. Another thing I definitely do for a Sunday home maintenance is washing my daughter's school bag and lunch bag. Throughout the week, they become so dirty that to maintain the hygiene, I wash them and disinfectant them every week or sometimes alternate week if she is having holidays or did not go to school for some reason. Cleaning the comb or hairbrush is another must to-do routine what I follow on weekly basis. I use this baking pan which I don't use for cooking anymore to soak our combs and brushes. After half an hour or so, I thoroughly wash them with the help of a toothbrush, then keep them under the sun to enjoy a sun bath. All these works are not that time consuming, we just need a little reminder to get them done. I hope this video will be helpful enough to set your or create your own list. Next work for the cleaning is to clean all our shoes. And I keep a sponge wipe to clean these shoes and cut this corner to identify if anytime it mixed up with other cleaning wipes. Weekdays mornings are so crazy that we cannot spare a little time to do little things. So I take care of cleaning up all our shoes in every Sunday, especially my daughter's shoes because those are the dirtiest ones. Changing out towels is another home maintenance routine I do follow for better hygiene. Weekly twice I change our bath towels and every alternate day hand towels in every bathroom and wash basin area. On Sundays we do take care of our bathrooms too. We don't deep clean every week, it's kind of a semi-deep cleaning. I will share a bathroom cleaning routine in upcoming videos, otherwise this super long video will be a massive one. Another routine I would like to follow is to clear out purse and wallet. Throughout the week they accumulate so many bills and whatnot. Here I want to mention, I'm trying to keep these wooden spoons in the purse or wallet as we eat a lot of ice cream or curd on the go, especially during this summer time, so that I can avoid those plastic spoons. Not every time I'm able to maintain it. Still, I'm trying to set this habit. Weekends are the best time to set your purse for the week, whether it's your work bag or a mother's carry-on bag. While I take little rest in the afternoon, I like to mend few things which requires attention, just like this t-shirt. I have seen how my mother always tried to do mending work so that we will not buy things which can be avoided. It doesn't take much time, only takes a reminder note and a well-planned routine to do this kind of a household works without forgetting. So Dugu got a nice surgery and saying bye-bye happily. Another home maintenance routine work, specially applicable for busy mothers, job holders, have a catch-all container in your dressing unit. Not every day is same as we expect. So at night, sometimes I just put all used jewelry in this catch-all box and clear it on Sundays. It helps me so much to maintain a neat or clean surface throughout the week. Now it's time to enter into the kitchen. Because of my increasing working hours, I am unable to take care of kitchen cleaning that much nowadays. But few things I never avoid, such as chimney cleaning. Once you let it accumulate oil and grease for a long time, it will be very difficult and time consuming to clean. So ladies and gentlemen, I motivate you to take care of your chimney every week or depending upon your usage. Put hot water, baking soda, vinegar, some kind of cleaning agent and get it clean. A clean chimney will help you directly to keep kitchen grease free for a long period of time. #experienced. Next, I wash all our water bottles on Sunday, or sometimes I do it on Saturdays too. As I soak them inside the sink, I clean it well and disinfectant also. Dirty bottle mouths are the place which contaminates fast and increase all sorts of health problems. Weekly home maintenance is a great way to take care of your health. Clean home is equal to happy health. Next, I fill up all half empty or empty food canisters to run the week smoothly. While you are in hurry cooking in the morning and find out you need oil as kadhai is super hot but you forgot to pour it, let me know how many of you have already faced this situation. So I try to fill them up as needed on Sundays. Next, I do meal plan. My biggest help to run a smooth kitchen throughout the week without repetition of the food. I write all my daughters' school lunch, breakfast, snacks, bus snacks, back to home snacks, our dinner, lunch, everything. As I'm following a meal planning since 2013, now it's very easy for me to plan this extensive list. It takes 10 to 15 minutes to find out new recipes or plan the meals for the week. If you are a busy working woman or busy mother, I would like to suggest for food preparation. It's always better to consume home food than outside food. There are a lot of controversies out there for this food preparation. We'll discuss some other day. But as you know that I have hired someone to help me in cooking, so I don't do food prep much. Only for a day or two if I need. This one is another conscious way to contribute towards environment. I keep enough grocery bags inside our car so that we can avoid taking plastics from grocery stores or vegetable vendors. I keep refilling them on every week. I also keep few steel straws as it is summer, and if we want to drink coconut water from roadside vendor, we can easily avoid taking those plastic straws. Yes, the choice is ours. Never afraid to fail, but keep on trying to set better lifestyle goals.
will be able to find a link in the description box below for this free printable. And I would like to thank Mama for sponsoring this video and supporting our channel. If you like this video, if you found it helpful, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to Home Hashtag Live for more videos. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.
कागज के दो पंख लेके उड़ा चला जाए रे, जहाँ नहीं जाना था ये वहीं चला हाय रे, उम्र का ये ताना बाना समझ न पाए रे, जुबां पे जो मोह माया नमक लगाए रे, कि देखे न भाले न जाने न ताए रे, दिशाहारा केमन बोका মনটা রে, দিশাহারা কেমন বোকা মনটা রে, প্রাণ পাখি মোড় উড়ে যায় খাঁচা ভেঙে, পীড়িত বড় জ্বালা রে, বড় জ্বালা রে, da 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 da